In our previous class, we have seen triangular matrix, sum of two matrices. How do we add two matrices? Let's say we are having two matrices. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, A plus B is equal to 1 plus 5 will be 6. 6 plus 2 will be 8. 3 plus 7 will be 10. 8 plus 4 will be 12. So we will add by using, we'll add the same array of elements. Okay. Next we have seen scalar matrix and multiplication of matrix. So how do we, this was the addition. So next is subtraction. In the similar way, we can even subtract B minus A will be equal to B minus A. So 5 minus 1 will be 4. 6 minus 2 will be 4. 7 minus 3 will be 4. 8 minus 7 4 will be 4. Or A minus B. But he will get the answer in negative. So 1 minus 5 will be, what is 1 minus 5? It's minus 4. So minus 4. 2 minus 6. So 2 minus 6 will be minus 4. Similarly, 3 minus 7, that will also be minus 4. 4 minus 8 will be minus 4. Got it? Next, this was the addition and subtraction of a matrix. Next is multiplication of matrix. So how do we multiply a matrix? It's a bit tricky, okay, but you will get it, okay, once you practice. So let's let this matrix A and this is matrix B. So we'll multiply the row with the column. So A into B, okay, will be 1 into 5 is 5. 2 into 7 is 14. Okay. Then 1 into 6 is 6. 2 into 8 is 16. Similarly, 3 into 5 is row into column. 3 5s are 15 plus 4 into 7 is 28. Next, 3 into 6 is 18. 4 into 8 is 4 into 8 is 8. You can hear my voice, right? 4 8s are 32. Now add 14 plus 5 will be 19. 16 plus 6 will be 26. 28 plus 15 will be 40. 15 plus 20, 43. 18 plus 32 will be 2 multiply matrix. So for your homework, we'll be having number 1, We have to multiply rows with column. These two questions are your homework. Just note this down. Note down these two questions. You have to multiply the rows with the columns. Okay. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask. Next is transpose. So how do you find the transpose of a matrix? Say we have a matrix. So this is A. Then A transpose will be 1. Okay. We'll shift this numbers to here. This is your A transpose. So there are two laws for transpose. Number one, this transpose of transpose will be A. Example, find the transpose of A transpose. You will get A in reverse. Next, A trans plus B transpose will be equal to A plus B whole transpose. Okay. Now, A B whole transpose will be equal to A transpose into B transpose. Next, K is a constant. K into A whole transpose is equal to K into A transpose. Okay. Now, what is symmetric? Symmetric is a important concept. A square matrix is said to be symmetric if A transpose is equal to A. Okay. If it is symmetric. But if it is Q symmetric, then A transpose will be equal to minus of A. Okay, this is an important concept. Understood till here, all of you?
Yes.
These two are your homework. Next is debt. Okay, how to find a debt of a matrix. So let's say there is a matrix A, B, C, D. Okay. For matrix, we use these types of brackets, but for that we use lines. Okay. So what will be that of this matrix? It will be A into D minus B into C. Okay. So let's say you are having a matrix A, B, C. This is the matrix. So to find the depth of this matrix, how will you find A? Okay, remove this row and this column. You will get bracket A into I minus H into F. We have to put plus minus plus. So next will be minus B. Remove this row and this column. So you get B into DI. What is left? You remove this row and this column. DFGI is left. So DI minus FG. Then it's plus. So plus C. Remove this row and this column. What is left? DEGH. So C into DH minus EG. So this will be the depth of your matrix. Okay. Now using this formula, we will find it. So let's say we are having a matrix. This is your matrix. So now apply the formula. 1, that is your A, into, remove this row and this column. What will be left? 3, 4, 1, 1. So 3 ones are 3 ones are 3. 4 ones are minus 4. Plus minus plus. So next is minus minus. 0 into, remove this row and this column. 2 into 1, that will be 2 minus 2 for the 8. We remove this row and this column. So multiplying 2 into 1, that is 2. Multiplying 4 into 2, that is 8. Then is plus. Okay. 2 into, remove this row and this column. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 3 is minus 6. Okay. So now 1 into 3 minus 4 will be minus 1. Minus 0 into 2 minus 8 is minus 6. Plus 2 into minus 4. Now 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 0 into anything will be 0. Minus 2 for the 8. Plus into minus will be minus 6 minus 8. So minus 8 minus 1 will be minus 9. So this is the depth of your matrix. Understood? So you have to find the depth of the upcoming matrix. This matrix, and this will be your homework. Find the depth of this matrix. Find the depth of this matrix. Find the depth of this matrix. Okay. This will be your homework. And for now, find the depth of this matrix.